La 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 la. La 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 la. When the dog barks, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things about the children in my classes, their limitless imaginations, their talent, their little mischiefs, the sparkle in their eyes and smiles that computer screens cannot dim. And then I don't feel so bad. Children, you bring so much love and light and life into our lives, in school and at home. Thank you and wish you a very, very happy Children's Day to all our children of TSMS Noida. And now, with a warm Namaste, Adab, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal, Kemcho, Kemonache, Bonjour, and Hola, we welcome you to the Children's Day Assembly. As we begin the assembly with a prayer, we pray for the health and happiness of our children, our precious Sri Ansh, today and every day.
In shady green pastures, so rich and so sweet, God leads His dear children along, where the waters could flow past the weary one's feet. God leads His dear children along. Some through the water, some through the flood, some through the fire, but all through the blood. Some through great sorrow, but God gives us all in the night season and all the day long. Sometimes on a mountain where the sun shines so bright, God leads His dear children along. Sometimes in the valley, the darkest of night, God leads His dear children along. Some through the water, some through the flood, some through the fire, but all through His blood. Some through great sorrow, but God gives us all in the night season and all the day long. In the night seasons and all the day long.
लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. क्लासेस में बच्चों का बचपन कहाँ खत्म होता है और टीचर्स का कहाँ शुरू होता है पता ही नहीं चलता. कभी संगीत के संग मिलाकर हंसी का एहसास और कभी हंसी के संग मिलाकर संगीत की मिठास. इसी तरह मिल मिलाकर मस्ती करते हुए बच्चों, आप लोगों के साथ रहकर समय के बहाव का पता ही नहीं चलता. बाल दिवस के उस खुशी के अवसर पर मैं उत्तरा मैम से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो हमारे प्यारे श्रेयांश के लिए कुछ शब्द कहें.
Namaste bachcho, happy Children's Day to all of you. Really a wonderful day today when we are getting ready to welcome more of you back to your happy school, which is waiting for you and really looking forward to seeing things normalize. On this day, children, I take this opportunity to thank you. You have been our heroes these last 2 years. Right from our Koshika babies to our grade 12 children, all of you have adapted, have changed, have adjusted. You've taken classes online, you've taken classes offline, you've come to school, done a hybrid, and you have shown that learning never stops. You've been sensitive, you've held integrity high, you've really pursued excellence, children, and you've shown that you are proud Indians who've really stood up at this time of crisis. So you've lived all your school values, and I think that's what makes you a perfect Shriyansh. So happy Children's Day to all our Shriyansh, from your parents, from your teachers, from all of us children. Come back to school quickly. Let's get back to form mornings. Let's get back to sports day. Let's get back to mad abouts, and let's really get our happy school vibe back completely. You are the life of the school. You are the soul of the school, and you are what makes this a happy school. So lots of blessings, lots of love to you, and I wish you again a wonderful year ahead. Happy Children's Day, my dear children. We love you.
सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, पापा नहीं है धानी से दीदी, दीदी के साथ है सारे, ला 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 गाते चले। बच्चों, इस तरह सारे के सारे टीचर्स आपके लिए दिल में ढेर सारा प्यार और शुभकामनाएं लेकर नाचते गाते हुए चले। और इस तरह हम लोगों ने कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस तैयार की है टू शो यू हाउ मच वी ऑल लव यू।
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
प्यारे श्री अंश, आपके कदमों से चहकता श्री आंगन, आपकी खिलखिलाहट से महकता श्री प्रांगण। हमेशा इसी तरह बढ़ें आपके कदम, सफलता की बुलंदियों को छुएं हर दम। कक्षा 2 और 3 की अध्यापिकाओं की ओर से आपको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे बो, 80-90 पूरे 100 में लगा धागा, चोर निकल कर भागा। ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे बैठो, 100 बार कहा है। एक्टिव रहो, फिट रहो। पी क्लास है सबका फेवरेट, हर दिन, हर महीने, हर साल। इसे झूठ साबित करना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है।
As sly as a fox, as strong as an ox, as fast as a hare, as brave as a bear, as free as a bird, as neat as a word, as quiet as a mouse, as big as a house. I wanna be. I wanna be. Oh, I wanna be. Is everything. As mean as a wolf, as sharp as a tooth, as deep as a bite, as dark as the night, as sweet as a song, as right as a wrong, as long as a road, as ugly as a toad, as pretty as a picture hanging from a fixture, strong like a family, strong as I wanna be, bright as day, as light
as warm as the sun, as silly as fun, as cool as a tree, as scary as the sea, as hot as fire, cold as ice, sweet as sugar and everything nice, as old as time, as straight as a line, as royal as a queen, as buzzed as a bee, as stealth as a tiger, smooth as a glider, pure as a melody, pure as I wanna be. Oh, I wanna be. Oh, I wanna be. Oh, I wanna be.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
ऐसे रंगों भरे अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना. Picasso said, every child is an artist. So true. In the art classes, we see and experience this all the time. Art is a world of colors, shapes and forms in all the dimensions. It is you children who breathe life into all of these and make art come alive. Thank you children.
Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey.
छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार, क्या कहना।
Are a sunshine, our only sunshine. You make us happy when skies are gray. You will never know, dear, how much we love you. So please be our sunshine every day. So please be our sunshine every day. So please be our sunshine every day.
Hey children, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, do you know why are you so special to us? Because you make us smile.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ला 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 ला। And you know, when you are with us, we feel love. Love you.
And with your love, we feel cheerful. Oops, someone there.
C for cheerfulness, and you make us colorful.
Wait, I found something. What's that? Oh, it's Johnny.
You are my sunshine.
मेरे बाल सफेद हो गए हैं, but you children make me feel young. Woohoo!
Yes.
This Children's Day, discover yourself. Discover the you in you.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर। बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा। चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना, रोके चाहे हिचकियां। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
बच्चों, आप नाचते हुए, गाते हुए, ड्रामा करते हुए हमारे दिल जीत लेते हो, यादों में बस जाते हो। स्पिकमा के हो या इंटर स्कूल इवेंट्स, हर स्टेज पे छा जाते हो। You make us feel so proud every time you step up and perform, whether it's on a stage, a blank canvas, or a sports field. We know it's not easy. We see your energy, expression, creativity, strength, and pursuit of excellence in whatever you do. And now, last but certainly not the least, we have one more performance for you. We hope you enjoy them all. Happy Children's Day!
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए, आधी आधी बात ले।
Happy Children's Day to all our Shri Ansh. Children, we are so happy that you're back to school, and we are really looking forward to see more of you back here. It's a beautiful day today. It's your day. And from all your parents, from all your teachers, we wish you a wonderful day. God bless you, children. We love you so much. The school is waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Let's get back together. Have a wonderful day, my dear children. We love you.